Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. This is the all-new generation Mercedes Sprinter, but it is fully customized by Klassen, and that means you basically have a hotel room in the interior. In this video I will show you the full exterior, interior and all the gadgets inside. Beautiful bright leather interior, and yes, the driver area is divided from the VIP area with a partition wall television screen. But let's first have a closer look here at the front, because it has been changed, the design, with the Panamericana grille by Klassen and blacked out front bumpers to match the body color. Here it says VIP, and yes, it has very firm rims to handle the weight of this Sprinter, which is massive. Before we continue, let's have a closer look here at the driver area. It's not bad at all. Being a driver of the Sprinter, it has a wooden cover for the steering wheel, Napa leather, also wood here for the center console, and yes, a full new center console part with cup holders for your drinks. And there are also buttons, for example, to put down and up the television screen. And there are also buttons to release the clean water and dirty water, but I want to show you that inside in the bathroom. Over into the side, you can notice this vehicle is massive. It has these orange lights, and this is for vehicles over 6.5 meters long. So let's open the door. And it opens automatically. There you can see an umbrella at the entrance with, of course, easy entrance side step. So let's have a look inside of this beautiful high ceiling Sprinter. Let's go inside the VIP Klassen Sprinter. So right now we are sitting inside this beautiful Sprinter VIP by Klassen. And I really love the interior in a very bright color. So you have Alcantara on the sides with this new design of Klassen with the ambient lighting. And yes, there are a lot of options, gadgets in this Sprinter VIP. In the back it has a television screen on the door side. Behind the door, a washing room. So let me just put the table away with beautiful glossy wood and Napa leather, and now we can enjoy the full space. It even has an espresso machine. You can control all the gadgets with this tablet that is currently in the charger, and over here with the Klassen app you can basically control everything. For example, the television right in front of us, which is huge with this wood contours. And before we go through all the gadgets, just check out the full quality. It even has a full starlight ceiling with the air vents in contours orange color, but of course you can change the colors right here on the screen. So let's press the curtains, and you can open and close the curtains fully electrically. If you hit equipment, you can see all other gadgets. For example, the left drawer that you can open, but just pay attention to the table. It takes time for it to open, but in this way you can really prepare, remove everything in front of you so that it can safely come into space. And over here you can definitely work, put your laptop on, or even eat. There is this left drawer in front of you, just underneath the seat, with coffee mugs. And this of course goes together with the Nespresso machine that you can turn around very fast. It looks amazing. There is even a fridge in the center part in front of us. And yes, the tables, they are in 4 parts. So 2 in the front and 2 more tables for the rear seats. They are actually a little bit more up, and in this way the rear seats can fully enjoy the view of the interior of this Sprinter VIP by Klassen. So let's put the TV back and we will hit the lighting options so you can change the colors of the starlight ceiling. Green, purple, pink for the ladies, and of course blue. You can even change the armrest color on the left side. Beautiful. So let's put back the tables, including the tablet. I will just put it in the charger. On the left side it has the GLC, which is of course the curtain. And you have your seat adjustments over here. Vibration, so actually massage function. And of course your heating and cooling. Amazing. So let's go to the front seats and we'll check out more gadgets. Now that we are sitting just on the opposite side, you can see a beautiful television screen behind me, and this seat is sitting a little bit more upright. You can of course also push it forward, make it lay down. But I want to show you first an espresso machine. So if I hit this button to turn around, just like in a James Bond movie. Amazing espresso machine. Of course, on the side you have your glasses for drinks. And with that, of course, you do need a fridge. So you can hit the fridge button and there it appears. Amazing to see. It looks very firm and solid. Plus there is some storage space with devices such as your Apple TV device. All the devices to check out the camera, because you have rear view camera in front and in the rear. And in this way you're really aware of what is going on around your VIP Sprinter by Klassen. But let me just grab this iPad. Since we can also change it back, just hit on Apple TV and there you get back your fancy screen. A beautiful clock here in the center with a Mercedes star and beautiful design with wood and the Napa leather. But let's hit again the espresso machine, because I want to emphasize you also need your mugs with coffee and pads that you can put in the Nespresso machine. And this is all just underneath. Now that we are ready with the side, we can push the seat forward to have more space. And of course put the backrest down. Amazing seats. This is full Maybach quality and purposely chosen because this is the best quality of the W222. Just amazing. On the side there is also a button over there which says GLE, which basically means the curtains that you again can open and close electrically. Here also the seat adjustments on the side, as I mentioned, with your massage function. So let's go to the third location, which is the third row, all the way in the back. And sitting here in the third row, I really noticed the beautiful glossy wood quality, especially also the rear side, the cover of these seats. I didn't expect it, but it looks amazing with these curves. Nice material and wood. Amazing. So this seat is a little bit more higher, and in this way you can really see a beautiful interior. You really feel like the king of the castle, in this case the Sprinter. Again, seat adjustments, fully adjustable seats with the tables that you can take out. Again, seat adjustments, beautiful ambient lighting on the side. And of course every seat has its own charging possibility, even a 230 volt charger for the seats in front of you. And in this way you can just charge your laptop or computer. And the ventilation system is also fully changed to make it compatible for having more passengers in the Sprinter. So this is all new air canalization. So let's open this door. You can just slide it open. There you can see a full new interior. Plus a switch for the ventilation. I notice on my left side a toilet with water that you can just spray. It has the drawers over here with, of course, soft closing features. A sink, even soap, and a beautiful round shaped mirror. There's even ambient lighting around the floor side. So let's close everything. I will close the door. And you might ask yourself, if there is a suite inside, what about the luggage space? And this is the solution of Klassen, an extra half a meter of storage space, which goes all the way up. So let's have a look inside. You have 3 different floors. Amazing. Let's close it again. And guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the Sprinter by Klassen VIP. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.